Let me show you how to add text to your iMovie project on your Mac. Simply switch from My Media to Titles. From here you will see many templates for aligning the text with the video. If you see the one you like, simply select that style. So let's say I want this text with the white backdrop. I grab this and I drag it down to my timeline. You can decide where the text will appear exactly. Let's say here, and when I play my video, the text is nicely appearing at that time. Of course, I can modify what text is displayed here without any troubles. I can just double tap and now I can type from my keyboard. Okay, as you may notice, they allow us to change the font here, alignment to the left, middle, or the right. We can make the font bold. We can even adjust the color of the font itself from here. Alright, so we got full control, and if you are done, just click here, OK, and the text is now modified by me. If you feel like the text is spending too long, you can trim it back. You can just pull the end of it here so the text will disappear. See, they even add like smooth transition. It will disappear by fading away. Alright, so that's how easy it is. Just pick the style you like from Titles, drag it into your timeline and customize. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.